Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to find people in Instagram nearby you. What you need to do first is go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. After that you have to make sure you have the updated Instagram version on your phone. Then you have to open Instagram. After that you have to search your location. Then you have to click on this icon places. After that you have to select the city you lived on. I'm gonna select this. Then you can see, if you scroll down there, it's loading. So this is how you find people nearby you. Please subscribe and like this video.